Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And more importantly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Alright, so today's product I want to go over is a USB microphone by RALENO. This is the box it's going to come in. Everything was well packaged. The particular model that I'm looking at from them is the M30. It is a plug-and-play USB microphone. I'll include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon if you want to check them out for yourself. Everything was very well professionally packaged. It is a nicer high-end microphone. And let's kind of go over, we're going to plug it in so that way you can actually hear what it sounds like. But before I do that, I wanted to go over and detail everything you're going to get. So naturally, right off the bat, you're going to get a little instruction manual. You can flip through that. You're also going to get a 3-legged tripod with standard screw top, so you can use this if need be, or if not, you can also screw this into your own tripod or your own setup. But this is the microphone itself. It's nice and compact. You will plug it in on the back here, and it's got an onboard volume control, so you can tweak the volume if need be, which is great for things if you're using this for like Skype or Zoom or anything like that, or streaming video games and whatnot. You can quickly adjust this. Now, this is a Cardioid microphone, so it is unidirectional, so it needs to be facing you to really pick up and interact with that sound. It is not a microphone designed to kind of set in the middle of a room and pick up all the way around that. So keep that in mind. And then the plug-in, the little cord here, you're going to get this nice little cord. It's got a built-in Velcro thing, so you can keep everything organized. This side, as I said, already plugs into the back of the mic, and then you have a standard USB. So you plug this into your laptop or your computer. And then if you have like a phone or something that has a Type 3 USB connection, or even your computer, these are pretty affordable. I've picked some up. You can get yourself a USB to Type 3.0 converter, and you just plug that in on the end here, and then plug that into your device, and bam, it works great. So let's hook the mic up, and then you can kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. All right, so we're back. So we are all hooked up. Like I said, one thing I didn't mention when I was showing the mic, it's set up right here. The tripod does have 180 motion, so you can adjust it, whether it's facing forward or facing up. So you kind of have that full adjustment settings. Now, as you can see, very easy, plug and play. You just have to plug it in and then select your microphone in your computer settings, or if you're using like a phone or a camera or something like that, it should detect it automatically. As far as the various kind of specs, so it has a 192 hertz radio for input. It also has a 78 decibel enhanced gain, which is supposed to reduce that background noise, so that way you're getting a clear sound. Which now I am talking towards the camera instead of talking towards the mic, but so that's going to reduce the volume a little bit. And then it has a 20 hertz frequency. So those are kind of the specs, but like I said, I'll include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon. You can kind of find out all those specs and details for yourself if that's something you want to investigate. But more importantly, I think it's a cool little setup, a cool little mic, very professional, and doesn't take up a lot of counter space. And it also looks great if you have like a podcast or something like that, and you're doing interviews and you're kind of talking back and forth across from a table. So that is essentially it. Feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have questions. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.